Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power, turn off the breaker, and verify with a non-contact tester or multimeter. Next, remove the existing switch plate and pull the switch out gently. Make sure to note which wire is line, hot, versus load. Once done, label each conductor with tape so you won't swap them later. Strip 1/2 inch of insulation and prepare pigtails if your remote module needs a neutral. Keep the ground accessible. This prevents mistakes when attaching the remote receiver. Now you install the remote module. Position it inside the wall box or behind the light fixture as the instructions specify, because physical placement affects range and heat. Connect the module's line lead to the labeled line from the panel and connect its load lead to the lamp's load wire. Tie neutrals together if required. Once connected, twist on rated wire nuts and tug each wire to confirm a secure connection. Make sure the module sits flat so the switch plate can close without pinching wires. With wiring complete, restore power and initiate the pairing sequence. Press the receiver's program button and the remote control within the given window. This pairs the device. You test functions on/off, dim levels, and maximum range. Operate from typical locations and note any dead spots. If the remote won't control the light, make sure the line and load weren't swapped, neutrals are continuous, and wire nuts are tight. Also confirm the breaker and that the module is rated for 120 V.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.